What's up people, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to answer a simple question which is currently widely asked by a lot of people, and seems that YouTube doesn't have a lot of answers for this. The question is, how do you go ahead and change your LinkedIn cover image? I'm going to show this in this video quickly. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Also, please press the bell icon besides that. This way I will be able to reach out to you whenever I upload a video, and that is quite often. Without any delay, let's get started.
Alright, so here we are on the desktop screen. I just want to show you the cover image that I have made for myself. This is my LinkedIn cover image and the dimensions. In case if you don't know what are the dimensions for LinkedIn cover image, the dimensions are 1584 by 396. And I have made mine in the Adobe Spark Post application. It's really easy to use because it is an application available on the cell phone, and I usually prefer to create creatives on the cell phone while on the go. In case if you don't know how to create a creative on Adobe Spark Post, you can check out the link which is currently popping up as an annotation. As far as changing the cover image is concerned, I have already saved, I've already downloaded that particular image, and this is how it's gonna look. But to change the cover image, you will have to click on this pencil icon here. The moment you click on that, it's going to give you a interface like this, and you can click on this change photo button here. Select the image, whatever you want to replace. I'm not going to replace the image because I already have the image set up, and just click on the open button. Remember one thing, that whenever you're setting it up on a desktop, you can add it from the desktop or mobile phone as well, but it's gonna look different on desktop and mobile. So once you change the image, make sure that you check out on the mobile application as well in order to check how is it appearing on the cell phone. Because when I did it, mine, this particular part, the digital productivity, and this part, it was getting cropped behind my profile picture. So just a quick tip about that. If you like this video guys, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking. Thank you.